Today's recipe is comfort food at its best. Hey everyone, this is Tarika welcoming you to Get Curried, where today I'm going to make twice baked potatoes and fill them up with chicken. So let's get started. Since these are twice baked potatoes, we're going to start with the first round of baking, for which I'm first going to pierce some holes in the potatoes, just with a fork like that. Now I'm going to brush the potatoes with oil. And now sprinkle with some coarse salt. I'm going to put some of it at the bottom of the foil and wrap this up. Now I'm going to bake these in the oven at 200 degrees for about 1 hour. If your potatoes are slightly smaller, you could even bake them for about 45 minutes. While you can hear the potatoes sizzling away in the oven, I'm going to start cooking the chicken filling to go with it. So first in this pan is going to be some oil, some chopped onion, next in is some garlic. Saute these together. The raw aroma of the garlic has gone away, so now I'm going to add the puree of just 1 tomato, not too much. And now almost immediately I'm going to start adding the spices, first of which is some red chili powder, bit of cumin powder, some mixed dried herbs, some black pepper powder. It's not a spice, but we can't do without salt. Now saute these together. The spices have been cooking in this mixture and the aroma is just wonderful. So now it's time to add something that will turn this into a kid's favorite, some tomato ketchup. Stir that in. Now it's time to add our chicken mince. Break that up once you add it to the pan. While this is sizzling, cover this and let it cook for about a few minutes. It's been a few minutes and our chicken keema is absolutely cooked. You can taste this at this point and check it for salt. I'm going to turn the flame off and let this cool and also wait for the potatoes to get done. The potatoes are done baking and are cool enough to handle now, so now we're going to start stuffing them. First, I'm going to slice this potato in half. Beautiful. Now I'm going to scoop out the insides, which are nice and gooey. And now to these potatoes that we've scooped out, I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. I want to season them generously with pepper, a little bit of salt. Just mash it through. Now I'm going to take this mashed potato and make a thin layer. Just make sure that you follow this cavity. Basically what we've done is made a nice smooth creamy layer for the chicken filling to go on top of. So that's exactly what I'm going to add next, the chicken filling. And now sprinkle on some cheese. Now these potatoes are ready to go back into the oven for the second round of baking, where we're really just looking for this cheese to melt. I'm going to place these on the baking tray. And now for the second potato, we're going to make a potato and cheese filling only. We're going to go overboard with the cheese this time. So now let's slice up the second potato. And just like the first one, scoop this bit out. Now to this, I'm going to add some butter to make it extra indulgent. And of course, salt and pepper. And mash it through. And just like we did earlier, we're going to fill this back into the cavity here, but this time right up to the top. Now these mashed potato and cheese ones are also ready. I'm going to put them on the baking tray. And now these are just going to go back into the oven and bake just till the cheese melts. Now the toughest part is to let these cool slightly before we can eat them. I'm going to put some microgreens, herbs, anything that you have at home are really nice on top of this. Just going to place some here. This is a quick, easy and totally delish recipe that's bound to be a hit in your home. Do try it and stay tuned to get curried for loads more.